Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that with the release of Vivaldi version 7.3, Vivaldi had rolled out a new native built-in VPN for the browser. And as I mentioned in that video, with this latest release, Proton and Vivaldi have announced a partnership that integrates Proton VPN functionality directly into the browser. Go check the video out for more info. We did a complete walkthrough. You'll get all the info you need there. Now, just to let you know that it seems that we have a couple of teething problems with the built-in VPN, and Vivaldi has already rolled out their first point release update for version 7.3, which is 7.3.3635.4. So that's been bumped up from 0.2 in case you were interested. Now, first of all, Vivaldi says that the update includes a fix for an issue in private Windows where Proton VPN appeared to be working, but it was not. So that has been addressed and that has been patched. And then something else they mention is that if you were using the Proton extension before the VPN rolled out, then removing the Proton extension was removing the toolbar button. Now that's also been addressed. And then in regards to the actual VPN settings for the privacy, in a future update, Vivaldi has said that they are going to add a way to enable and disable Proton from the privacy section. And that's going to appear in an up-and-coming minor update, but they have mentioned that in the release notes. I think that's just to collate everything into the new VPN that's in the toolbar. And that's it. There's nothing else from the release notes. There's no Chromium updates. There's no other bug fix updates for the browser. It's all relating teething problems with the VPN, which Vivaldi has been very quick to address. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.